it's me, Faith, and I'm with my friend Ellie. Say hi.
Hi.
And she's going to draw us a bird, because I have no clue how, and she's going to show me. Right, go ahead. I don't know how, can't believe how quiet we are. Right, we don't know if it's going to be the same as good as it was, but it was amazing, the other one. It's a bit fat, like. It doesn't look like the other one.
I know. Bit fat. Because it tastes like it. And I know why, because it's orange.
Yeah. She did one in black a minute ago and it was amazing.
Ta-da! A fat budgie!
No, budgie.
That's how you make a fat budgie. If you want to do it thin, just do it a bit thinner than that. Bye!
Yeah. Bye!